In this question, we're going to look at independent events. It's a straightforward enough definition. Suppose A and B are two events with probability of A. The probability that A occurs and equals to 0.4. Let's write that down. Probability of A. Whoops. Pen's acting funny. There we go. Equals 0.4. Probability of B equals 0.5. You may assume that A and B are independent events. Okay, so probability of A intersection B, okay, that both are occurring. Now, this is the definition of independent events, so that's the probability of A times the probability of B, and that's 0.4 times 0.5, and that's 0.2. So the answer to the first one is 0.2. A union B, that A or B or both occur. Now, this is the addition rule we use here. Okay, that's the addition rule is probability of A union B equals the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A intersection B. Okay, now I'll just do that here up at the top, just above it. That is equal to 0.4 plus 0.5 minus 0.2. That's equal to 0.7. So the answer to that one is 0.7. So addition rule and independent events, those are the two things you need for that question.